Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I'm back on Nitro Type. Take a look. I'm going to buy this LIT locomotive. This ride is insane, so let's do it. It is $15. Let's take a look at my garage. I know we got some NT Gold membership for 2 years. And let's take a look at the garage. This is another car to add to the collection. Alright, let's do a race. See who's online. Alright, let's race. A little rusty in my first race back. Yep, third place. Alright, 51 words per minute. I did over 6,000 races ever since I joined Nitro Type. That's a lot of races. Alright, till next time, guys. Let's try to get this team back. We have 7 team members. It's open to join. Don't forget, it's the Computer Classroom, the Cool Classroom, YT, our YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys on the tracks. So we still have a couple of old students here that are officers. I'm gonna demote some one and promote. Officer. Who else do we got? This guy we're gonna promote. Alright, looks good. Till next time. Thanks. Bye.